Is the Edelweiss Life Flexi Savings Plan truly a flexible gateway to savings and protection, or just another plan with fine print and hidden trade offs? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to HolisticInvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual, non-linked, participating savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you get to secure your family's financial future with a comprehensive life insurance cover. You get to choose from three benefit options like Flexi Income Plan, Flexi Income Pro Plan, and large sum plan based on your needs. And you also enjoy the added advantage of the life cover continuation benefit to stay protected even beyond policy maturity. So you can also opt to receive income as yearly as the second policy year, the fifth policy year, or after completing the premium payment term. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, survival benefit, and also maturity benefit. So all these benefits will vary based on the plan option you have opted for. So some of the advantages of the policy are: if the life cover continuation benefit is chosen, the life cover continuation sum assured is equivalent to 10 times the annualized premium, which will continue for a fixed period even after policy maturity. So at any time during the policy term, the policyholder can choose to accumulate survival benefits instead of receiving them as cash payouts. Additional protection can be availed through optional riders. So tax benefits apply to both the premiums paid and the benefits received as per the prevailing tax laws. So policyholders can also avail a loan of up to 60% of the policy's surrender value. So these are some of the advantages of the policy, and there are some disadvantages like the sum assured may not be sufficient to meet your family's essential financial requirements. The plan delivers suboptimal returns, making it less suitable for long-term wealth creation. Yearly cash withdrawals weaken the power of compounding and reduce overall growth, and you cannot earmark the survival benefit for specific goals as it is non-guaranteed and depends on bonuses. So survival benefit often get diverted to discretionary spending, reducing their long-term impact. So these are some of the drawbacks of the policy that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So for example purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old male buys this policy with a base sum assured of 7 lakhs, which may increase up to 15 lakhs. So the policy term is 20 years and he pays an annual premium of 1 lakh for 10 years under the large sum plan option. So in this option, he receives only the maturity benefit including bonuses. The projected figures are based on assumed rates of 4 and 8%. These are not guaranteed returns and do not represent the maximum or minimum possible returns. At 4%, the estimated maturity benefit is 15.86 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of only 3% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is even lower than basic savings account rates. So at 8%, the projected maturity value is 25.78 lakhs, offering an IRR of 6.20% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is still below typical debt instrument returns. Even over a 20-year time horizon, the plan's returns fails to beat inflation, making it ineffective for long-term wealth creation. So the life cover offered is also insufficient to provide real financial protection. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis in which we are going to take an alternative approach, in which instead of investing in insurance and investment by combining them under one policy like the Edelweiss policy, we are going to invest in it separately. So let us break this down with an example. We are going to use life cover as a pure term insurance policy with a 15 lakh sum assured, which cost is roughly 7,500 rupees per year, whereas the Edelweiss plan charges 1 lakh annually for similar coverage. By investing the 92,500 rupees difference based on your risk profile, you can achieve far superior returns. Equity suits high risk investors aiming for long term growth, and debt options like PPF appeal to conservative investors seeking stable and guaranteed returns. In this case, the surplus amount is invested either in a PPF account or an equity mutual fund. So, with necessary adjustments in the final year due to the 10-year premium payment term and PPF 15-year lock-in period, the maturity value reaches 27.29 lakhs, generating an IRR of 6.58%. So, over 20 years, the investment grows to 56.46 lakhs. After accounting for tax, the post tax value is 50.72 lakhs, resulting in an impressive IRR of 10.74%. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, we do have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this alternative strategy not only ensures adequate life cover but also delivers significantly stronger returns than the Edelweiss policy. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Flexi savings plan worth it or not? The Edelweiss Life Flexi Savings Plan is a savings cum insurance product that offers flexibility through three benefit options. You may choose to receive survival income at regular intervals or accumulated it for a lump sum at maturity. However, despite this flexibility, the plan functions like a traditional endowment policy where benefits are guaranteed and depend entirely on future bonus declarations. A closer analysis shows that the plan delivers low returns, making it ineffective for long-term wealth creation. So the sum assured is also modest and may not provide adequate financial protection for your family. As a result, this policy underperforms on both fronts, like life coverage and investment returns, and it also has a high agent commission. So to build long-term financial security, it is crucial to invest in a well-diversified portfolio aligned with your goals, risk appetite, and investment horizon. For life protection, opting for a pure term insurance policy is a far better choice, like offering higher coverage at an affordable cost based on your future goals, income, and liabilities. So, traditional policies that mix insurance and investment often weaken your financial strategy. A focused, goal based investment approach will lead to far stronger outcomes.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.